How the hell? You checking my channel and I didn't copy. This is literally my video. I didn't copy someone's video. This is literally my video. What the heck? Someone must be report me. I didn't do something bad. I just great. Just wanna. How to explain this in English? Oh my god, I'm bad at English. Someone must be reported me. Maybe it's the haters. I hate those haters. I wanna